Hello everyone, welcome back to ENG Talk Room. Today, we're going to learn one of the most powerful parts of English, modal verbs. If you want to sound natural, confident, and fluent in English, you must understand modal verbs. The good news is, modal verbs are actually simple. You just need to understand how they work in real life. So let's begin. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs that change the meaning of a sentence. They don't show action. They show ability, permission, possibility, advice, obligation. Common modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, have to, should, will, would. Simple rule. After a modal verb, we always use the base form of the verb. Example, I can speak English, not can speaks. She should study, not should studies. This is very important. Can, ability and informal permission. Can is used for ability, permission, informal. Examples, I can speak English. She can drive a car. Can I use your phone? Very common in daily conversation. Could, past/polite. Could is the past of can and also used for polite requests. Examples, I could swim when I was a child. Could you help me, please? In American English, could sounds polite and respectful. May, formal permission. May is used for formal permission. Example, may I come in? Not very common in daily speech, but important in formal situations. Might, possibility. Might shows a weak possibility. Examples, it might rain today. She might come later. Less sure, more uncertain. Must, strong obligation. Must shows strong rule, strong necessity. Examples, you must wear a seatbelt. I must finish this work today. Strong feeling. Have to, real life necessity. Have to is very common in American English. Examples, I have to go to work. She has to wake up early. More practical than must. Should, advice. Should is used for advice. Examples, you should drink more water. You should practice English daily. Friendly suggestion. Will, future/decision. Will is used for future actions, quick decisions. Examples, I will call you. I will help you. Would, polite and imaginary. Would is used for polite requests, imaginary situations. Examples, would you like some coffee? I would travel the world if I had money. Very important for natural English. Real-life comparison, important. Can versus could. Can you help me? Could you help me? Must versus have to. Must equals strong rule. Have to equals daily need. May versus might. May equals possible. Might equals less possible. Common mistakes. He can speaks. He can speak. She must goes, check mark. She must go, cross mark. I should to study, check mark. I should study. Always use base verb. Real speaking practice. Repeat these sentences. I can do this. You should try again. I have to work today. It might be late. I will improve my English. Simple sentences equals powerful fluency. Pro tip, in real American English, have to is used more than must. Could is used for polite tone. Would is used for smooth conversation. Learn natural usage, not just rules. Motivation, very important. Now listen carefully. Many learners know grammar, but they don't use it while speaking. That is the real problem. You don't need perfect grammar, you need usable English. Start using modal verbs in daily life. I can do it. I will try. I should practice. This builds confidence. Final secret. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about using simple things correctly. Modal verbs are small words, but they make your English powerful. Today you learned, what are modal verbs, how to use them, real-life examples, speaking tips. Now it's your turn to practice. Keep speaking, keep improving, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Thank you for listening to ENG Talk Room. See you in the next lesson.